Hello guys, welcome to Coding Essentials. In the last video we talked about 9 different types of input element and label element. In this video we will talk about the 4 remaining form elements. So let's start. The first one is select an option. Select element defines a drop down list and option element defines an option that can be selected. For example, let's make an drop down list of browsers, so user have to select which browser he or she is using. So the first option is Internet Explorer. The second option is Opera. The third option is Chrome. So I am only keeping 3 options, so the user can only select from these 3. So if the user is using Firefox, then he cannot input any other than these 3. So he has to choose from these 3. So this is the drawback of using select. So we will come to an alternative of select in the later part of the video. Okay, so let's save it and see the output. Okay, so here's our drop down list. So you can select any one of the 3. So this was all about select and option. The second is text area. Text area defines a multi-line input field. For example, if we want to ask for description of the user, then we cannot fit his or her description in a single box using input type text. So we need a larger box. So text area will define a larger box as per your convenience. The rows attribute will give the row count and calls attribute will give the column count. So I'm keeping rows 10 and column 50. So save it and see in the browser. Okay, so here's our text area. First let me put an line break code. I forgot it. Okay, save it and see in the browser. Okay, so here's our line break text area. So you can increase the size of the box as per convenience from the right bottom corner. So you can see it can be increased as much as you want. Okay, so this was all about text area. Okay, the third one is field set and legend. So I am making a new form for that. Field set element is used to group related data in form. Okay, and legend element defines a caption for the field set element. So first we'll write the field set, and inside that legend, so we'll give name. Okay, now we'll make a form. So label is name, line break, then input type text, and name is name. Line break 2 times because of submit button. So now input type submit, name submit, and value submit. Okay, now save it and open in browser. So as you can see, there's a field set border around the form, and there's a legend text. I am highlighting it. There's a legend text, and here's our form inside it. So you can decrease the border length using CSS. I will be showing you in the CSS tutorials how to do that. So this is all about field set and legend. Okay, so now the alternative for the select is data list. Data list element specifies a list of predefined options for an input element. For example, label, we are keeping the same. Browsers, okay. Now input, so take out this type and write list. List attribute is important for to declare inside the input. Okay, list browsers, be small, name browsers, then comes data list. Then inside that, first write ID inside data list as browser, and inside data list write options. First option Chrome, second option Internet Explorer, third option Opera. Okay, I am not including the Firefox again. So let's save it and see in the browser. So as you can see, there are some predefined options for an input element. So I can choose this or this, or I can also type Firefox. So this is the alternative. Okay, let me zoom it. Yeah, I can write Firefox. This is the alternative form of select and a better version. It does not have the drawback of the including all the options, available options. So this is a better form. You can select like this. You can select any of these three, or you can write your own. Okay, so this was all about forms. So this will be the end of the video. So thank you so much guys for watching.